Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ada, and today we are going to start this day by organizing the pantry, because I have been wanting to do this for so long, but I just keep procrastinating. But today I am finally going to be arranging and organizing the pantry. So that is what we are going to start with today before we move on to other things. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. Yeah, we are going to go ahead right now and then start arranging the pantry. So as you can see, I have some of the things that I got right here because I haven't been able to put them in the pantry. So I have all these right here. Whew. I have all these right here, and I'm trying to fit them in this. So I am trying to fit them in this small little pantry of mine. This is what it looks like currently. This is what it looks like. Like, this is a hot mess. I'm not even going to lie. This is a hot mess in here. Like, look at that. This is a hot mess. So let's just get started and start arranging, because I don't even know where to start from, but it is what it is. Let's start arranging. So guys, this was how my pantry was looking. Everywhere was messy and all. So yeah, that little boy is always working, doing something. So I had to vacuum it at first, vacuum and take out all the dirt in there, because some cereals and other, you know, where kids are, it's just always messy and like that. So I had to clean it up first. So now I'm going ahead to take out everything in the pantry so I can start with my organization. Then I had to bring in all the things, the groceries that I got. I had to bring them closer to the pantry area so it can be easier for me to arrange. So these Ritz crackers I bought this thing from the Dollar Tree. All these what is it called, like storage baskets or whatever. I got them all from the Dollar Tree. So I'm using that to arrange it because it makes it easier for my daughter to just grab one and, you know, get her bag ready for school and all that, grab her cracker and the juice and anything she wants. It just makes it easier for the kids to grab their things and we get going. So now I am putting back and arranging all the things, and I am trying as much as I can to save space and to just make it look good, because the pantry is basically small, as you can see, but I'm just trying as much as I can to make everything fit and, you know, look good. And you can see me keep changing things and things because I just want it to fit in. I'm just basically doing some trials and error. That. So after this video and maybe 2 more, I will be starting my house decorating series. So if you want to watch that, or if that looks like the kind of content you're interested in, do go ahead and subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss those videos, because it's going to be like a vlog style kind of thing. So I'm trying to redecorate my house and do all of that. So go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned. I am so excited, you guys. Like I just, of course, from my videos you already know I love arranging, decorating, cleaning and all those good stuff. So yeah, you already know I am so excited about this one. This what is it called again? This thing for as well. I think, yeah, I think I got that. Did I get that from, okay, no, I didn't get that from the Dollar Tree. I think I had it before, and it was, I was actually not, I didn't really see how this would help, but after arranging that part of the pantry, it really helps me a lot, because now I can easily reach things without, knocking anything over. The higher ones are at the back where you can clearly see them, and the lower ones are there, below, where you can also clearly see them. So I don't struggle anymore to get anything out from the pantry. So after using that, I was like, oh, this was really helpful to me. Yeah. So this is what I have left on the floor, so I have to go ahead and start fixing that as well. Pouring the cereal into the cereal bowl, and the cereal containers, and doing all of that, arranging things. So I can, like, this look like a whole mess. I'm watching this now and I'm like, this is such it's so messy. Like, how did we even get to this point? So I'm just basically pouring in the cereals and getting them ready so I can put them up in the pantry. So basically what I did, you can see on the floor, just sorted everything out so I know where and how I'm going to start placing them. You guys, the Dollar Tree is just a very good place if you're looking for anything at all that has to do with organization. The Dollar Tree is just such a good place. Like, and if you're not looking to spend too much money, Dollar Tree definitely got you. So you guys, this is the finished look, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to like this video, share this video, leave a comment down below, tell me how I did and all that. So up there I have some of the, what is it called, like the beverages and all those stuff. Then down here I basically have all my baking stuff, like the flour, sugar, baking soda and all that, cornstarch and all that. Then on this top line I have the juice and the crackers and all the kids things. So I put it down here because this is where my eldest daughter's hand can get to, and I don't want the rest to get to it. So that is why I didn't put it like on the last one. So I put it up there just where her hand can get to. And then down here we have our water and those other things there. And then here I have the cereals, my nuts, granules, almond nuts, cashew nuts, and all of that good stuff. That's what I have here, and on here you can see that. I hope I did well. Yeah, I tried. At least it's looking better than what it was before. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click on that subscribe button down there and click on the notification bell as well, so you don't get to miss my next upload. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.